No, this isn't permanent. This is just for mocking up.
Hey, welcome back. We are working on this big block mini bike again, and just finalizing this shaft. One bolt to go. I think we've got a good plan. I had reworked this brake lever a little bit. Got to add to this other piece. Make it a little longer to give room for the chains. And then Riley's changing his tube out. He had a flat tire.
Two now. I had one after the race, and then I changed it and poked a hole in my tube, and it's just sat there for the last 8 months or however long it's been like that. So I got one more tube, one more try. We'll get her this time. And then I got to get that on, get my chain on, and then my motor from the first race decided to shift on us a little, so we just got to pop a couple bolts loose, scoot it over, square it up, torque her down, get some gas in her, and then it should be good to rip.
Yeah, it won't be too long here. We'll just do final assembly, build a couple of chains. Then we'll have to take a break to go get some gasoline. So I think all of our gasoline is
Gone.
used up. And hopefully I got enough gas to rip mine for a little while, because it's almost out of gas and I don't have any gas for that.
Yeah, you got to run high octane. Airplane fuel. Oh,
Race gas. I don't have to, it just helps with it running better.
yeah, it makes a difference.
So,
Anyways.
yeah, here we go. Wow. Golly! You're gonna have her off the ground when you start it up the first time, or
It might be a good idea.
maybe a gallon in each? There should be a tank full.
Oh yeah.
It's leaking all over the floor.
Which,
gas.
what size is there?
Where's gas coming from? Oh, let's see overflow.
What's going on?
Just leaking out of the overflow like it always does.
Well, that'd be a float situation.
Not your float set too high there.
I don't remember which way's on.
On, I think. Second pull? Second pull, not bad, huh?
No? Is the choke on?
No.
No, you didn't.
Oh. It's leaking out of there still.
Fuck
Oh.
do I get
I
to?
didn't like the choke.
It smells bad gas. Do you want me to? Oh, wait a minute. That don't look right.
What doesn't? What doesn't?
Give her gas again. That should go straight.
Sure?
What's that noise? That doesn't sound good.
Yeah, it's in the motor.
So if you let it down and you let off the brake, it's gonna fucking go, or what?
No, kind of.
Yeah, I don't know. I guess, yeah, give her a whirl.
Is it better?
No, it's fucked up. Oh shit, that looks really fast. That looked really fast. It looked really fast. It looked really fast. Holy shit. Pardon my French. Lost him. There it is. Getting low light, the goddamn zooming and the zooming and the focus and the is all fucked up.
Even open it up yet.
Holy Jesus.
Holy moly.
It's more like it, huh?
Yeah.
It sounded like that. Sounded like that driven opened too fast.
Yeah,
Just now, did you hear that?
Yeah.
We should tighten up that spring. Sounds like a fucking nightmare to change that spring.
It's all worth it. That was
Good old Rups.
Was it?
that made it all worth it.
Did it?
You should drive it now. Should probably fix this.
This is
Do we
that's
have-
scary as hell.
Do we have more hose
That's
clamps?
the only reason why your brakes. Yeah.
What, it was just sitting in there or what?
Yeah, the bolt fell out, and it's just like the only reason to see that. The only reason the brake's working is because it's still pushing
Yeah,
against it.
it's just barely.
Oh, that chain loosened up some.
Christ. What the fuck?
What's wrong with the brake? Why'd you do that?
I don't know. We got him. It's going, Manny. Oh my God! Out of the ground.
One more run.
Holy shit! It's like it's in fast motion. When you took off that launch, it looked like it was like in fast forward.
Yeah. Well, I was just gonna say, like, I rolled into it a little bit, and then I canned it, and the front wheel came off the ground.
Did it really?
And then I ran out of clutch.
Yeah, that clutch opens up too fast.
So-
I tried that when I got on it too, and like
Yeah.
when you go wide open, it really it looked like it was somebody put fast forward on, like it's fake in the TV shows,
It's
you know,
fast. It's
like when they
great.
speed up car chases, you know.
Yeah.
It was like
Yeah. Well, yeah. It's like nothing, and then you can hear it go, and then you just. It's crazy. That's crazy.
it needed that.
That's not sketchy at all. Why won't the brakes work? Just send it. Yeah, well that's what that one does.
Yeah, it's a frickin' joke.
Maybe that's why it was shooting flames, it was lean.
Yeah. That's like this. As soon as I mess with the idle, it gets weird.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah. Holy smokes. Forgot how fast his was.
All right, well, takes us to the end of our program. More fine tuning to come. Get the carburetors to not leak gas, get them to run properly.
For what it is, the big block ran pretty good. It's sitting for so long.
Yeah, well, thanks for tuning in. And we'll see you next time.